All right, I have my pressure cooker. I went through my beans. I cleaned them. I got rid of all the half beans and all the fragments that you could still see in the old days when we used to clean the beans. You have to go through them and make sure there weren't rocks. Luckily, tech has gotten a lot better. I didn't find any rocks in 2 bags of Iberia black beans. And these are very small. And you're about to learn a couple family secrets. Cooking beans baking soda.
According to Charlotte Observer, soaking beans in plain water and then changing the water before cooking is just as likely to help. There is evidence that adding baking soda reduces some nutrients, particularly vitamin B. Baking soda also can make the beans taste saltier or even soapy, so they should be rinsed very well if you use it.
All right. We're not going to cook the beans, but we are going to soak them. 2 secrets. Baking soda and baking powder. What I'm going to do is I'll add like 2 tablespoons of baking soda and a tablespoon of baking powder. Let them soak for a day, then rinse them real good. And then when I cook them, putting in a tablespoon of baking powder. You've heard it. Beans, good for the heart. The more you eat, the more you fart. Well, by adding the baking powder, it reduces the gassiness of them. Oh, that's the family secret. I gave it away. And another thing we used to put in here, stalk of celery and a carrot. And those are 2 other family secrets. So I'm going to soak these. I'm going to fill the water about here and let them soak for a night. I'm going to put in 2 of this, 1 of this. There we go. Family secret. I'll let you have it.